So here we have the JASP software. In order to open the data, we will go to this icon, then press open, and from the computer, anywhere you have the backup file for your data, you can open data from there. Let's say I have this data, I'm gonna open this one. So it's opened here, the data is opened here. So if the data is open with JASP, so here you can see a lot of options we have, like in descriptive statistics. We have a number of options that includes, if we click statistics, we can see valid, missing, quartiles, cut points, percentiles. In the distribution bar we have skewness, kurtosis, Shapiro-Wilk test, sum, and the central tendency we have mode, median, mean, and the dispersion we have standard deviation, mode, interquartile, range, maximum, minimum, variance, mode, coefficient of variation. In the inference section we have standard error of mean, confidence interval for mean, confidence interval for standard deviation, confidence interval for variance, bootstrap confidence interval options. If we check the basic plots, we have the options like distribution plots, correlation plots, interval plots, QQ plots, pie chart, dot plots, Pareto plots, Likert plots. If we see the customized plot, again we have the option that is in the box plot we have scatter plots. Under scatter plot we have, if we see the box plot, then we have box plots elements, Wallen elements, Jeter elements, use color palettes, label outliers, etc. And then the scatter plot we have graph about scatter plot, density, histogram, and then the graph right, scatter plot, density, histogram, show legends, up to so on. So let's start. The first thing, that is the descriptive statistics, and we have the data here which has a number of variables like participants, presentation, background, questions, film IQ score, and then the responses. Film IQ score is basically a statistic numerical variable. We can use it for the to generate descriptive statistics. So here we can see the data that has we have selected options for descriptive statistics. We get the valid, missing, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and the distribution plot. If we check the statistics, we can also generate mode and then median. If we want the skewness, we can add skewness, kurtosis, Shapiro-Wilk test, sum, and quartiles, cut points, up to so on. So here is the descriptive table. Let me highlight it. This one is the descriptive table here. Every needed point is mode, median, mean, standard deviation, skewness, up to so on. All are headed here. And then if we are interested to create some basic plots like okay, I'm gonna interested in the customized plots, maybe box plot. Let's create the box plot. Box plot, it has generated for us for the film IQ score. And for the box plot, we can use another option like Wallen elements is edit, Jeter elements, again edit, use color pleats, and then label outliers. Basically there are no any outliers, that is why nothing is coming out, but anyhow if the data has any outlier it will show. We have to go to the tables. Here click the tables, and then there is the frequency table, and obviously frequency table needs a variable that has categories, but we have the categories up to 1 2 3 4 up to 7. Like for 1 frequency is 4, 2 has 9, 3 has 24, up to so on.